Do you know that it is possible to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time here on YouTube within few months? Guys, I did it faster than I imagined on one of my YouTube channels. In fact, I have multiple channels. I'm going to leave some on the screen for you. You can see one with over 60,000 subscribers, another one with over 50,000 subscribers, and others. And so in this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step what you need to do. Even if you're just starting out here on YouTube, what you need to do in order to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time fast. You want to start making money fast here on YouTube, ensure you watch this video to the very end. Welcome all to the TEDxpreneur. Here on this channel, I create content on how to grow and monetize social media, and so in this video we're talking about how to grow and monetize your YouTube channel fast. So how exactly did I hit all this number of subscribers on my different YouTube channel? How did I get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time within few months? So the first thing I did, which is very, very practical, very important, is picking the right niche. Guys, picking the right niche is very, very important. You can't just be posting videos randomly here on YouTube and you expect to grow fast. You expect to hit your 4,000 hours of watch time fast. You need to be intentional about the type of niche or the type of videos you're posting, the topics of the videos you're posting. I need you all to understand that YouTube is first a search engine before any other thing. You see the way people go to Google to search for things, same thing applies. Just that the difference between YouTube and Google is that YouTube is more of videos, right? More of videos, practical videos. While on Google, you get more of article, more of writing. So when people are coming on YouTube, they are coming to search for a particular topic. So you need to make sure that your niche is something searchable. Let me give you a practical example. How to make money is a niche. Make money online is a niche, because people come on YouTube searching for how can I make money, how can I do this, how can I start a business, how can I do this. So if your videos is among those searchable content or those searchable videos, you're going to get views and you're going to hit your 1,000 subscribers fast. Now most of you come on YouTube and you just want to, post about your lifestyle. Today, tomorrow you post about cooking, next tomorrow you post fitness. Pick one niche and concentrate on it first. You cannot be doing lifestyle, you're doing fitness, you're doing cooking on the same channel. You might be struggling with growth. Pick your battle, right? Pick one niche and concentrate on it. If it's lifestyle you want to do, concentrate on that. And before you do lifestyle, mind you, you're not a celebrity. If you're just starting out like a regular person, you're not a celebrity. So who are those people that will watch your lifestyle? Even within that lifestyle, you should make it searchable. I don't know if you get the topics within that your lifestyle niche should be searchable. And I'm going to give you a practical example. You want to start creating content around your lifestyle, your day-to-day lifestyle. You can use searchable topics like, let's say you are a mom, how I take care of the home as a mom with 4 kids. Do you understand? It's more searchable than posting a video and just titling it a day in my life as a mom of 4. You're just starting out, nobody knows you. Nobody knows about you here on YouTube. It is later on you can decide to start titling your videos like that, but as you're starting, you need to ensure you're making your video titles searchable, so that when people search for those type of videos or even related videos, your video can be suggested to them. So pay attention to your niche, pay attention to your topic. Do one thing at a time. If it's make money you want to face make money. If it's Instagram growth hack you want to face it. If it is how to run ads, face one thing at a time. It will make YouTube understand what your content is all about, so that when people are just searching for topics related to your videos, YouTube will go ahead and suggest your videos to those people, and by them watching your videos, you're getting watch time, you're getting subscribers. Now the second thing I did to get my 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time fast was my consistency. I was consistent. Not just that I was consistent, I had like a schedule I usually follow for my uploads. I ensure that every week I put out at least nothing less than 3 quality videos. Like 3 videos was my minimum for every single week. 3 videos. I was consistent with that. So you may be asking, Oni, how do you achieve this? I have my timetable, I have my schedule, right? On Sundays, on Saturday, on Sundays, you will see me writing on my book. I have my book, special book dedicated for YouTube. On Saturday, on Sundays, I am doing what? I am writing down my content. All the ideas I have, I write them down. I script out my content. Then Sunday evening, if I'm chance at home, I make my videos. I can can batch create videos. I can make up to 5 videos that Sunday evening. In as much as I have them written down, can you see what I have here? This is just a piece of paper. I have a book. In as much as I have them written down, I can sit down, make 5 videos in one day. Do you understand? Now, once I have that 5 videos within a week, I can just edit and post. Sometimes if I'm available on Monday, if I don't go to work on Monday, I take the whole of Monday to edit those 5 videos, and then I go to YouTube, upload and schedule them. I can decide to post one Monday evening, Wednesday evening and Friday evening, at least 3 videos in a week. Sometimes I go past 3, sometimes I'm able to post 5 videos. But me having this minimum of 3 has helped me to be consistent. Now, no matter what I'm doing, I already know that I have to post a minimum of 3 videos every week on YouTube. It made me to be consistent. It made me see YouTube as more of a job, me reporting to my job every day. You know, you need to take something serious for you to be able to put in your all. You know the way you go to your job, let's say you're working in a company, you know the way you rush out to work every morning, you don't want to go late. When you get to the office, you sign in. You know the way you're just so consistent with going to work. Give that same seriousness to your YouTube channel, and I assure you that you will see difference immediately. It doesn't take time. One thing I want you all to understand is that YouTube favors creators that are consistent. You see those creators that are always posting videos on YouTube favors them. Go and check their channel. Go and check your channel. And when I say you should be consistent, I'm not saying you should come here and post any kind of video. Take your time to make clear, good videos. Take your time to edit these videos, because if you don't edit anyhow, your video is just upside down, haphazard. People would not be interested, people will not watch. Even if they click, they are going to click out because it is just anyhow. Take your time. That is why if you can give yourself at least 3 videos in a week, it's not bad. Just have one day for batch creating. You can create 3 to 4 videos, right? Then within the week you can set time. If you go to work, when you come back, you edit. Some of you don't even go to work. Some of you are mothers. You take care of your kids. When you're free, you edit and post your video, or you edit and schedule those videos. Do you understand? So it will help you to be consistent. The third thing that helped me grow faster on YouTube is creating content that people actually like to watch. This is so important. Creating videos that people like to watch, not what you want to create. See, when you're on YouTube and you want to grow fast, it is not about you. It's about the people. It's about the viewers. It's about the audience. So you don't just have one idea and you just go and start creating that video. I'm not saying you shouldn't come up with fresh idea, but if you want to grow fast, you need to spy on your competitors here on YouTube. Go check your competitors, those people that are making videos in your niche, right? Go check the kind of content they are putting out. Check the type of videos they are putting out that are getting loads of views. That's what I do every now and then. I go to YouTubers that create the same type of videos I create. I go to their channel, I check for the ones that are doing well, right? I can see that, oh, people are interested in this topic right now. People are interested in this topic. I go ahead and replicate that on my channel. This is a raw truth that most people will not tell you. I am telling you. Like, I am telling you. If you want to grow fast, it is not about you, it is about the viewers, what they want to see. Most times when I go to those my competitors' channel, okay, are they competitors? I mean, other people in your niche, right? When I go to their channel, I check for those videos that are getting loads of views. I come onto my channel, I create that video. I don't just copy, I make mine even better than their own. I make mine more juicier than theirs. I check their thumbnail. I say, okay, this is the thumbnail that people are seeing, that is getting attraction. I try as much as I can to replicate that kind of thumbnail for my video. Do you understand what I'm saying? Make sure you're creating videos that people want to watch. Take for instance now this channel, the 10x Preneur. People want to know how to grow their YouTube channel, isn't it? You watching this video is because you want to learn how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, 4,000 hours of watch time. This is what people want to watch. So I give you what you want, but I make it, you know, more practical than other people you'll see out there. I mean, if I need to say this, I make mine more practical, more explanatory, that when you watch through it, you're going to get loads of value. So create what people want to watch. Create what people want to click. Make sure that your thumbnail is clickable. Make sure that your title is clickable. I mean, you may have the best video, but if your thumbnail is not attractive, if your title is not sparking curiosity, people will not click on your video. People will not click on your video. You need to learn how to design thumbnail. Don't make your thumbnail to be dull or too clustered with words. Your thumbnail should be bold. The color should be bold. It should, you know, spark curiosity in the minds of your audience, or in the minds of viewers. I already have a detailed video on this channel that will show you practically how to, use Canva to design simple but yet very attractive thumbnail. That video is down in the description, right? You can look for it down in the description, and also at the end of the video I'm going to leave them on the screen for you to go watch. So important if you want to grow faster. Your thumbnail, make sure it is something that people want to see and they click immediately. Another thing I usually do, right, which is the fourth thing, is using YouTube Shorts. Some people don't know that YouTube Shorts can make you get loads of subscribers faster than even your long form videos. Some of you have not realized that, but this is something I have, realized over the years since I started YouTube, or since YouTube Shorts became a thing. You might not get 4,000 hours of watch time faster from YouTube Short, but you will get subscribers. And I mean, these subscribers you're getting for YouTube Short, when they subscribe, they begin to see more of your long form videos. They begin to watch more of your long form videos. YouTube Shorts is going viral now. Most people know that. Like, if you're not posting YouTube Shorts, take your time to create YouTube Shorts and post on your channel. You will get loads of views on your YouTube Shorts. Now, as if your YouTube Shorts are going viral, they are bringing attraction to your channel. Most of these people that are watching, they subscribe to your channel, and once they subscribe, the algorithm will immediately start to show them more of your long form videos. And if they start watching your long form videos, what are you doing? You're gaining more watch hours indirectly from people that are following you through your YouTube Shorts. Do you understand? So try as much as you can to create YouTube Shorts and post on your channel. It is so important. The last thing I want to share with you all today is I try as much as I can to make people watch my video longer. Not just to watch my particular video, but I refer them to watch other videos. Now, if you watch my video to the end, you will see me mentioning that there are videos on the screen. I mentioned earlier that I will leave a video on the screen on how to design thumbnail. Now, most of you that want to learn how to design thumbnail, after watching this particular video, you will click on another of my video to watch. So I am getting watch hours from this. When you click and watch the other video, my watch hour is also doing what? Increasing. Now, apart from that, make sure that when you're editing your videos, you make it interesting for people to watch. Add clips, add b-rolls if you can, add text, add animations, add effects, add sound effects to make your videos interesting, not just a boring video. To make your videos interesting. When your video is interesting, people are going to watch to a longer duration. And also, when you're giving value, any content you're putting out there, be intentional about it. Ensure that it is something that people want to watch. Ensure that there is value in that video. Ensure that you're passing good message, or you're teaching something valuable in that video. And before you know it, you have your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 hours of watch time, and you're good to go. You get monetized, you start making money from your YouTube channel. So there are videos on the screen. Up here, I have a video that will teach you how to design thumbnail. It is so important for you to learn how to design thumbnail. I've said it earlier. If your video is good, but your thumbnail is not speaking good, of that video, nobody will watch. Your thumbnail is like your YouTube billboard. So click this video right now. Go learn how to design YouTube thumbnail, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.